The Teams feature allows multiple developers and form builders to collaborate and have access to projects and stages. Any user on the platform can create a new team and assign it to a project they own or administrate. After a team is created, Form.IO users can be assigned to it, granting them access to the projects and stages associated with that team. There are two different team levels. Project teams are added to the entire Form.IO project, granting users assigned to that team permission rights to all stages within the project, including the live stage associated with your live application. Alternatively, stage teams can be added to specific stages, restricting their permission rights from other stages within the project. Stage teams are utilized when you want to delegate team permissions to a specific stage, for example, a developer stage, while restricting that team from accessing the live stage connected to your live application or other stages within the project. It's important to understand that a team added on the project level will always override that same team added on the stage level. Meaning, if Team A is added to the project with admin permissions, and the same Team A is added to a stage with write permissions, the admin permissions at the project level will be applied to all stages within the project and override the stage write permissions. In other words, stage teams are never additive to the project level. In order to add a stage team, that team must first be added on the project level with access permission. Once the team has access permission to the project, team read or write permission can then be delegated to the desired stage. Stage teams are added to specific stages within a project and are necessary if a team user should have team permissions for a specific stage, for example, development stage, but should not have access to the live production stage or other stages within the project. Before a stage team can be assigned, that team must first have access to the project. Click the Team tab in the left-hand navigation bar within the project. Add the team to the project level from the Team dropdown. Set the team permission to access. This team will now have access rights to the project and can now be added to a specific stage. To add the team to a stage, click the stage drop-down within your project and select the stage the team should be added to. Click the Access tab within your stage on the left-hand navigation bar. Select a team from the Added Team drop-down. Set the permission for the team and save the settings. The stage read permission will grant team members permission to read forms and submission data on the stage level. Forms and data cannot be modified. The stage write permission grants team members permissions to read and update or modify both forms and submission data on the stage level. Once the stage team has been added, users assigned to the team can log into their main portal and see the project on the main portal homepage. Opening the project, the user will be presented with a message stating they only have access rights to the project. From here, the user should click the stage drop-down and select the stage for which the team has stage permissions to. Team members will have permissions rights configured for the team after clicking on the stage. The stage team method is used to split up different teams between stages, giving granular permissions to the project depending on the team member. Specific teams would only have access to certain stages depending on the team's functionality and purpose. Think of a dev stage production deployment workflow. For more information on stages or teams, be sure and check out our help documentation linked in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.